Hello everybody and welcome back to Sip and App. Today I'm sharing a recipe that's going to change your life when it comes to baking scones at home. As much as I love a good scone, I'm not a huge fan of the process, such as buying a whole bottle of heavy cream that I don't end up finishing, cutting cold butter into the flour, and dealing with all that messy dough at the end. But one day, I was looking at a tub of mascarpone in my fridge. And that's when it hit me. The nutrition facts are almost identical to butter and cream combined, but mascarpone takes out all the hassle. With this recipe, you just mix everything in one bowl, scoop, and bake. And the best part, these lemon blueberry scones are ready in under 30 minutes. So let's get started by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After you gather and measure out your ingredients, grab a large mixing bowl. Whisk together the mascarpone, an egg, and sugar until smooth and combined. Next, zest a fresh lemon directly into the bowl. Today, I'm using a zester designed for making garnishes for cocktails because I love seeing these big ribbons of lemon zest in my scones. But any zester will work. The key here is to catch all of the oils released during the zesting process. They add so much flavor and brightness to the scones. After adding the vanilla paste and a little bit of salt, give everything another good mix. Next, sift the flour and baking powder into the mixture. About halfway through mixing, I like to add in the blueberries. I personally prefer using frozen berries here because they hold their shape better while baking and prevent the dough from getting too wet. Gently fold everything in until just combined, and be careful not to overmix. Now for the easiest part. Using a cookie dough scoop or spoon, drop small mounds of the batter onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. You should get about 12 scones from this recipe. Finally, pop them into your preheated oven and bake for 22 to 25 minutes, or until the tops are golden and the blueberries start to ooze out. The only thing that can make these scones taste even better is a drizzle of lemon glaze. So while the scones cool on the wire rack, simply whisk together some powdered sugar and fresh lemon juice. Once the scones are slightly cooled, drizzle that glaze all over the top for a sweet and tangy finish. And there you have it! Swapping the butter and cream for mascarpone doesn't sacrifice the taste or texture whatsoever. If anything, these might be the best scones you'll ever eat. So pour your favorite drink and watch them disappear. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more recipes and baking tips. Thanks for watching, and cheers!